mean, I understand I live on an island, but every single skate park pretty much is built right on the water. It's just so much colder down here. Anyway, just got to Tanner Skate Park. Today I'm learning fakie big spin, inward heel flip, pivot to fakie. And I tried a couple last week, couldn't get it. But yeah, it was just a crazy week. I think I filmed a new trick on, it was Wednesday, it was like 15 degrees out. I went to Cooper Skate Park and I did a fakie 270, the backside Smith grind. And it took me a little bit, I was psyched on it, but I don't know, afterwards I started trying a laser flip to nose pick, which that one got me psyched. I really wanted to get it, but you know, just kind of lost it. It was pretty cold that day too, so that's it, saved it for another day. Then I started trying the fakie big spin inward heel flip, because after that I just wasn't satisfied with the last trick. Like, I didn't feel like I pushed myself enough. So tried that like I think 3 different times. I went to 2 different skate parks. Got pretty close, but I just couldn't land it. Then yesterday I went street skating, but before that I went to the skate park, shoveling off the ramp with like all the ice off of it, and yeah. Tried it then for another half hour, still couldn't get it. So that's it. Today I'm landing this trick. That's it. It's going down, so we're good. It's pretty cold, but I don't care. We're getting this trick. All right. All right, we got into it second try. I think we got this. Feels crazy with a new deck. I haven't had a new board in like, I don't know, a long time. I think I got this one. Getting into it pretty consistently. It's got this weird like forward flip motion almost to it. It's like that's what I'm getting close. You gotta really flick down and kind of whip it around. So hard to explain, but whatever it is, I think it's working. All right, it's coming. So many shinners. Oh my gosh. I think I should switch the angle. Alright guys, my phone's right about to die. Probably got like 2 minutes left. Getting tired. I'm not like flicking the same way I was before. Alright. So dead. Alright. Down the blunt. It's crazy how close I was getting. And once my energy like went away, not getting close at all. Alright guys, it's like an hour and a half later. I had to go home, charge my phone. I'm back here. My legs are burning right now. I'm like completely done, but I really want to get this trick, so Gonna try a little more. If my phone dies again, I'm calling it. That's it for the day. Done. All right. Yeah. That took me a long time. I can't show you guys all the tries, but I think it was somewhere in the range of like 4 hours. Yeah, I'm done. All right. See you guys next week.